guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me first off just start by saying I am so sorry.
Oh no, it's not your fault.
You
You're
guys
so
know that
busy.
is-
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another I try to follow a makeup tutorial on my channel, and today I am going to be a tutorial of Nyma. So yeah, let's get to this tutorial, okay?
I'm gonna start with my non-existent brows.
Girl,
Recently,
my
I ran out
eyebrows
of
are
my brow pencil
non-existent
that I really
too.
liked, and it was super frustrating because I ran out right before these trips. The pencil that I had was from Lancome, and when I went to go look for it, it was discontinued. Brow products are either too light or too gray. It's really hard to find a good, decent brow product, so I was prepared to drop that $28 for the Lancome pencil, but
Yeah.
I couldn't find it. So I ended up just
I don't
picking
got
up the NYX
$28 like
pencil,
that, but if you do, you should
and
definitely
I get
go
to
ahead and drop
LA,
it. NYX, why would you do Nyma like
it's
that?
gray.
Gray pencil?
Like, I'm
Really?
telling you guys, it was like
Gray
completely gray,
pencil?
and I was just like, oh my god, I screwed myself. I got these brows to work,
Yeah, I should go ahead and start my
but
brows
I was able
too.
to make them work.
Girl,
And then when I got back,
doing brows on camera though.
I walked in and I was like in such a desperate hurry. I was like, do you have a brow pencil that's dark enough for me? Can I see it?
Oh no!
I was like, it can't be gray. And this one's been really doing it for me.
Oh
it's not
no,
gray,
it cannot.
and it's really
Definitely,
like,
definitely not.
Ew. I think that's the most annoying thing about.
I don't know why brows
just
take so
doing
long
your
to do. It
makeup
is
in
just so
general.
crazy. That's why I try to do
If
them
you
off
have
camera
annoyingly sparse
before I come on here.
brows,
So I'm gonna go do my brows
you
and then
have
I'll
to
come
create a
back.
whole new
Okay?
brow every
Because
single time you sit down
Nyma
to do
over
your
here is
makeup.
just.
I think that's the most annoying. This is the Tarte shape tape in the shade, the last shade, Mahogany.
Girl,
I really like
I don't
to
know.
use this as an eyeshadow primer. It doesn't crease. This is the It's My Ray Ray times BH Cosmetics palette. This is what that palette looks like. It's got the mirror that's a little dirty, and then the highlight and contour, and then the eyeshadow stuff.
So we're just gonna get
let's
into it, okay?
started.
Nyma just wasting no
Got you
time
guys
with
in a
this.
little
So
closer.
which one? Which one? Girl, which one am I taking first? So maybe I'll go in with the orange one first, or is it a mixture of both? Like, what are we doing? Are we mixing both? Or are we just taking one at a time? Should I just mix it? I don't know. I'm just gonna take the I'll take the orange one first, and I'm using the Ray Ray brush number 6, and now I'm taking the second one. Well, I don't really have a whole lot of brushes,
want, like,
so
brush details, because I
even
don't
if you give me
normally do brush
detail,
details.
ain't got
I'm gonna
point
go
like
ahead
that,
and
I
do
can
it
go
in
buy
this
it,
one, just
you know?
in
Okay,
case
so
you guys do
where are we
want
putting
it, and
this?
then
We're
if
putting
you
this
don't
right
want it,
here?
just like let me know.
So we're
like,
putting
hey,
this.
it's not necessary. You don't have to do that.
Girl,
So I'm
slow
just
your
gonna
roll.
blend
Jesus, let me
in
blend this
with
out.
my finger.
So which shade are we using to do this right now? Do you know? Do you know what are we using for this right now? I'm just using my brush. I don't put anything on it.
Angel for my brow bone. Okay, so I've got my lashes on, and then I'm just going into the shade Angel now, and I'm popping that into my inner corner.
Nyma, are we not priming today? Like what exactly are we doing? We're not priming? Okay. We're not priming. We're just going in with the Fenty Beauty.
And I'm just using a little bit, and I'm mixing that with the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation.
And we're blending it out with the Juno & Co. Fusion Sponge.
Okay, so
what shade are we using?
Which is the
we're using ColourPop Concealer. Okay.
So,
girl, you know we can't afford that mistake. Don't use too much concealer.
So I'm going to go ahead and
well, I
set
don't have
my
that
eyes
powder,
with the
so I'm going to use the
FENTY.
Sasha Cosmetics
Since I tried it
Buttercup.
on the, I think, second to last video of mine, I haven't been able to put it down. It's just been setting my under eyes really beautifully. This. Next,
well, since I don't know what that shade of contour or eyeshadow is, we'll use the Brown Bite from
shows up on my skin tone.
From the Ray Ray palette, and see how that comes out. You guys. So in my last video, I never actually used the contour powder, but this actually shows up. Look at this. Well, then I guess that's what we're using for our entire contour then.
I'm going back into that shade Friday. I'm going into the shade Connie. Okay, now it's time for highlight. I'm gonna try French toast.
Okay, we're using French toast.
Here. So that's French toast. It's actually really pretty. And then on the other side, I'm gonna try Moonlight, which seems very poppin'.
Mm-hmm. It is very bright. It's very poppin'.
So this is Moonlight. Yeah, that's a very bright highlight. I don't know if you guys
We'll
can
blend
see.
this out with this. This is the Juno & Co. ES02 brush. The link is down below in my bio. This is $2, people. $2.
For lipstick,
$2.
I'm gonna use this
The colored
lip set
ring
from
Tootsie, because
Nabla
I think it's the
Cosmetics,
closest one to what she
and
has.
I'm using the shade Bad Boy. And the gloss that I'm going to be using is from
Oh, the
Bobbi
only
Brown.
gloss that I have that's
And it's a
anything close
shade
to
called
Bobbi
Naked
Brown
Plum.
is this Mingle from LA
Alrighty,
Color.
guys. So this is the look with the It's My Ray Ray.
Are we not setting our face, girlfriend? Because
Look that I created. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lots of love, and I'll see you guys next time.
okay, guys, so this is what I got out of the whole tutorial. I don't know if we primed. I don't know if we used mascara. I definitely couldn't find my mascara, so there's no way I was going to put mascara on my bottom lashes because my mascara has disappeared on me. I don't know where it went. So this is what I got out of the whole thing. I really hope it's a little bit, at least a little bit close to what she did. My lip color may be off, I think. I'm not sure. I don't have Bobbi Brown lip gloss. Girl. The only thing I have close to lip glosses these days are LA Color. So, you know, yeah. So yeah, that's what we got out of it. I don't know where I got all these white stuff on my fingers from, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope to see you guys next time.